guys, what is up? Today I'm gonna do a room tour, and some people ask me, hey, can you do a room tour? And I'm saying sure. So I clean my room a little bit because it's really messy. So let's get started. If you're new here and you've never seen my face, make sure to subscribe, get a like, and be positive with me or no hate comment. So let's get started. Yeah. So here it's my door. Really pretty. I have stickers. I have my swaffle. I don't know how to say it. My rope. I have a Barbie backpack. This is my closet. Really nice. And then here is my decks. It's really nice. And I have like a lot of stuff, charger for my tablet, everything. I have like drawings, ideas, a bottle, and like everything. And then I have a suitcase, Christmas suitcase, and my old phone is not working anymore, and I'm so sad. And then I have an invitation wedding thing. Then I have DC, a mail swap that I went this year, I think, yeah. And Michael Jackson, DC, dicks. And then here I have like my Polish girl, my thing here, then I have pictures, and we're drawing, and here's Michał. He's my favorite singer. He's Polish, and yeah, here's my drawing. Here's my family. There are posters. Those are posters. That Barbie. Then I have a fan. Sorry, it's about landing a fan because in my room is super hot. And getting really hot in summer, so this get really handy. And here I have like this is my window. Sorry the background noises because my window is open. Here's like the art stuff and my cars. Here's my bags. Oh, and if you don't see my bag, what's my bags video, make sure to check it out because it's really fun. Here's stuff. Here's like girl stuff like that. Here's a mirror. And there's my bed. And that's all for my room tour. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will post more YouTube videos probably today because I could be alone the first time, my brother, and I could post videos. So yeah, so this is a room tour video. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to hit that smash like button, and stay tuned for new videos by me. I post Sundays, Saturdays, Friday, Thursdays, I think, yeah. And yeah, bye. Deuces and bye. I love you. Mwah.